So, Google is gearing up to introduce a diverse range of new smartphones, comprising the highly anticipated Google Pixel 8a, the Pixel 9 series, and the Pixel Fold 2. Recently, leaked images showcasing the retail packaging of the Pixel 8a have surfaced, providing enthusiasts with a tantalizing glimpse into its design aesthetics. Furthermore, renders depicting the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro have emerged, adding to the excitement surrounding Google's upcoming releases. In a significant development, an unidentified Google smartphone has been spotted on the UL Demco certification website by the vigilant team at My Smart Price. Speculation is rife that this enigmatic device could potentially be the forthcoming Pixel 8a. The anonymous Google phone bears the model number GH2MB, which shares some semblance with the model number of its predecessor, the Google Pixel 7a, known as GHL1X. The UL Demco certificate, issued in December, serves as a strong indicator of an impending release in the Google smartphone lineup. Notably, the certification not only confirms the model number, GH2MB, but also divulges that the device will be outfitted with a substantial 4,942 mAh rated battery. Industry insiders anticipate that the battery capacity will likely be marketed as either 5,000 mAh or 5,040 mAh. This certification revelation hints at an imminent launch for the new Google smartphone. Intriguingly, the Pixel 7a smartphone also shared the GHL1X model number in certain regions, leading experts to speculate that the GH2MB model number, unearthed through UL Demco, could indeed be associated with the Pixel 8a smartphone. However, the notably larger 4,942 mAh rated battery represents a significant departure from the battery capacities of previous models such as the Pixel 7a and Pixel 6a, which boasted batteries rated at 4,385 mAh and 4,410 mAh, respectively. Moreover, with expectations mounting for the Pixel 9 series to make its debut in October, it's conceivable that this listing may signal an upgrade in battery capacity for the standard model. Additionally, the Pixel Fold 2, rumored to incorporate a 5,000 mAh battery, may also undergo a power boost. The unfolding mystery surrounding the unidentified Google phone leaves enthusiasts eagerly awaiting further revelations in the coming days. As time progresses, there is a palpable sense of anticipation for a clearer understanding of its official name and additional details about the GH2MB smartphone, which are expected to emerge through additional certifications and industry insights. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Google Pixel 8a? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.